I'm literally sweating. Hey guys, so I went to get coffee and I came back and I've got 2 packages that have like Jeffree Star tape on it, and I had no idea. I mean, I knew one was coming today and I thought one was coming tomorrow, but I had no idea. Like, my friends and family asked me what I wanted for Valentine's Day, and I was like, well, I ordered Jeffree Star stuff, but I want more Jeffree Star stuff, and I had no idea that my family members were going to order me Jeffree Star merch. So the first thing I said was, I have no idea what's in these boxes, but I am so going to give something away to somebody who did not get anything that day. And if that's you, put that down below if you're watching this video right now. But I'm getting ready to open up the deluxe box, and oh my god, okay. This is it. This is the deluxe box. That was $100. And I already see a pink bag with oh my god! No way! I thought maybe a t-shirt. Maybe a t-shirt. Oh my god. Okay. I've been watching Jeffree Star for years, and I rarely comment anything, but I've watched the whole series. I watched him and Shane Dawson and their friendship and all of those things. Look at this. Look at how freaking cute this is. But I'm going to be honest. I really do care for them, and I love them very much, and I'm so super excited about these things, but I have never been like this about another brand before, and there's a whole lot of reasons, but oh my god, look how cute this is. I don't even know what to say right now. I cannot believe there's a pink bag in here. Look how cute. And a hoodie. Look, there's a hoodie in the deluxe box. These were $45 a piece, and I think these were $35. That so makes the oh my god. Oh my god. No. Look. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, no. This looks like this was just the merch I ordered. Okay. I think I'm wrong. Yes, the side bag, the hoodie, and the hand mirror. Okay, I'm so sorry. That's what this is. That all came in this pink box, which I thought was the deluxe box. And then I got this. Oh, I just showed you guys my address. Please don't remember that. Please don't remember that. Okay. Then, oh my god, I'm so confused. All right. There's the deluxe box. Oh my god, I opened my merch first. Okay. That was my merch. Oh my god. All right. Now, here's another mirror. I'm freaking out. I'm just totally freaking out. Like, really freaking out right now. Is it the same mirror? So this has got to be the deluxe. Oh, it's the chrome one. Oh my god. Hi. Oh, how are you? I don't have that little ding thing that he does. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love you. Like, I never thought I would be in love with, not me, the mirror. It's just like, I don't even know how to explain this right now. Okay, I can't. Yeah, the deluxe box is in red, and it's so right here. Oh my god, okay. Okay, yeah. And then the receipt in here says deluxe box. Okay, and it says, oh, so that's the mirror that I bought. Okay, okay. The mirror's not part of that. It's something that I bought extra. And here's the deluxe box. It was not the pink box. Surprise, it's red. Oh my god, Karen. I am dying right now. Can you see what a hot mess I am? And it's all over Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Jeffree, you did this to me. I don't think I've never said that. And I was in love with Tom Cruise because, you know, he was hot back in the 80s. And when he did Cocktail, I'm going to be honest with you, and he's a celebrity, and you're a celebrity, and he was amazing, like, for a time being. And like I said, he was born the same day I was. Just, he was born in 62. I was born in 78, and you get it, okay? Look. No. I got a hat. I got a hat. Guys, we need to calm down and then figure out what we're doing for a giveaway. Okay, I could do this. I got green straws. Oh my god. I got green straws. I remember the not so evil stepmother when she got one of these. She's like, I'm not going to clean it. I just want some of Jeffree's greatness on it. So, you know what? I'm so making a mess right now. And I have, all right. You know what? I'm just going to put Jeffree Star straw in next to my Starbucks one. And it tastes good. Yes, I'm drinking out of a straw. There's 3 of them in here. And then there's a straight straw. And then there's like a little cleaner straw. Like little thing to clean it. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Then there's a hat in here. I can't get it open! Okay. I cannot believe the Deluxe box came in this huge. Right. I don't know. I don't. Can we do this? Can we pull this off? Like, can we pull this off? Let's just be cute. Okay. So, oh my god! You haven't seen these, have you? Okay. Okay. Look. First off, t-shirt. Look. No way! I have to put this on. I have to put it on. I just have to. I have to do that. I have to. By the way, Jeffree, I love you. I just do. And I've never told a celebrity I love them. Ever in my entire life. Okay. I probably should take the hat off first. And I curled my hair today, but I don't really care. Okay. Oh my god. Do you see this right now? Like, oh my god, do you see this? Okay, I can't. I'm dying. I never thought I'd be this excited about a box. Okay, so I have a red velour. Well, the packaging's red. Probably for Valentine's Day. And Karen's flustered, so I'm just saying, oh my god, is this my favorite one? Is this my favorite one? What one is this? What one is this? Okay. Shake well before use. We know that. Okay, what is this? It's a mystery shape. It's red and it's mystery. I don't know. Oh my god. Where's my mirror? I think I can look like Jeffree for a minute. This is like poinsettia with a metallic pink attached to it. Hi, I'm gonna need you a lot. Okay. I think I'm dying. I think there might be a thirsty palette in here, and that's the only one that I don't have. And if there is, I'm totally gonna freak the out. Okay, no. Oh my god, it's a 24 karat gold. No way. I don't have that one either. I have the brain freeze, and I love it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh! King's Hut Dark. Oh my god, do you see that? I can't. Okay, we need to just go through this before Karen dies. I've got to do it. How many of you were like afraid you were not going to get nothing? Which means I try to get extra because, guys, I do love you and I want to give back, and you just have no idea what you mean to me. So, and you too, Jeffree. I mean, like, what are the chances he'll see this video? And I'm saving the paper. I'm saving it. Oh my god. If this is, I can't. It's Jawbreaker. We got these in the okay. It's the mini breaker. We got them in the, Karen, calm down. The Halloween ones. And I have this palette already, so I'm so gonna show it to you and then put it in a giveaway. Guys, look at this. Do you see that right there? Hello, purple. Yeah. And whoever gets it, I will totally do a look with you if you want, because how amazing would that be? All right, but I cannot feel right about keeping this when I already have it, and there's so many of you out there going, bitch, I did not get my shit and I wanted it. Like, for real. I totally get that. Like, I don't even know how to explain it right now. Okay, so the gloss is in here, and I totally have the gloss, and I just used it today. Karen is dying. Karen has highlight, a mystery lipstick, has, oh my god, and the gloss, which I already have, and it's sealed. Legends only. Wait a minute, is this a color one? Okay, I'm confused. Oh my god, alright, hang on. This is the one that I have, and I love it so very much. I got it in the Halloween one. Oh my god, this is totally different. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells so good. and I want to use it, but in a way, I kind of want to give it to one of you guys because I know what it's like. Like, I get the waiting and the wanting and then not getting it, and it's freaking me out because I want you guys to have the happiness that I do right now. And then there's a mirror in here, and I don't know. Didn't I just... Okay. Okay. Karen, get your shit together. I know I bought a mirror, and then I got a mirror in addition to this, and I'm so going to open this because I want to see what mirror it is, but somebody's getting a mini breaker palette, and someone is also getting a mirror. And if you want it, can you just tell me why you want it and enter me in the comments, because I really want, I usually use random picker, but I really want to give this to someone who like tried to get things and couldn't, and like I feel your pain right now. And I just want to make someone happy. It's a baby pink mirror. Oh my god. So which mirror should I give away? I don't even know right now. Oh my god. Okay. Let's recap because I think this is it. I got this in the deluxe box, which is the baby pink mirror. Okay. And then I got the mini jawbreaker palette. And then I got all this paper. Okay. The 24 karat gold highlight, which is amazing. I have the brain freeze. I got that. I got the hat. And I got the shirt in my deluxe box. Plus, I got the mystery liquid lip. Did he name this? It's got a little heart on it for Valentine's Day. I am loving that so very much. And that means the first things that I did open was the merchandise that I had bought. Well, actually, someone had bought for me, I should say. And that was this mirror, which is, they're all badass, but look at the pink and the black and the shape. Hi, how are you? And then the hat, and well, the hat came with the other thing, the deluxe box. This, and then like the hoodie. Oh my god. Guys. I mean, I bought the hoodie, the black and the pink mirror, and the bag separately. That came separately from the deluxe, but this is everything that I got. I cannot believe this right now. Like, I'm so freaking happy. I decided to do a Valentine's Day look today that I'll be posting soon, and I'm super excited about that. But I have to tell you, I really want to know, did you get what you wanted on launch day? I'm going to include clips in here from my launch experience because I almost cried, and I have to be perfectly honest when I tell you this. Jeffree, oh, the straws came in the deluxe too. The straws. Don't let me forget the straws. The like $1 million straws right here. I could give somebody a straw too. How awesome would that be? Just because I know how you're feeling right now, and I went through a lot on launch day, and I've been trying to get the Supreme box every time he's launched one, and it has not worked out for me. I am fortunate enough to get something, and I know there's somebody out there right now that's probably crying because they did not get anything at all. Whether they couldn't afford it or whether they just couldn't get it because the site broke, because that happens. I want to be able to send you something, so I'm going to do a giveaway. I love you guys so very much. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, if you're just starting out on my channel and you're just getting to know me, that's great. As long as you subscribe and like this video and you give this channel a chance, you're totally entered. And if you've been with me for a while, thank you. Like, you guys are awesome. You're my ride or dies, and I love you so, so very much. And I know how you all feel about Jeffree Star, how you feel about Shane Dawson, but today's all about Jeffree right now because this is everything that he put together for us, for his subscribers, his fans, his friends. So I understand how you're feeling, and I understand that you want something. So make sure you tell me one thing that you love about Jeffree or that you want to enter this giveaway, and I will be so happy to choose a winner, and I will do that and put all of the giveaway instructions in the description box, so make sure that you follow them, and I love you so very much. I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to enter. Bye, guys.
We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in, just me